avid readers! Yesterday we worked on 2 parts of reading where you had to decode the words using your strategies and you had to think about your reading so you could understand and make sense of the story. Today we're going to teach you that readers feel what the characters are feeling. So as you're reading and you notice the characters, you have to listen to what they say and watch what they do and try to understand how they're feeling. That will help you understand the story even better. So I'm going to put this up on our chart, and I'm going to draw now a happy face because she is feeling happy, and I'll draw a sad face for those characters who might be feeling sad. You need to take a look at some of these pictures and tell me, how is that character feeling? Yeah, you know that if you saw that character in a story, that she is feeling sad. How about this guy? Oh my goodness. He is surprised, excited about something. Look at his eyes going up, his eyebrows, his mouth is like, oh, he is excited and surprised. Now look at this one. It's a little different. His eyebrows are up, his mouth is open, but is he surprised? He's more scared. He's like, ah! Yeah, look at his mouth is turning down a little bit as he opens it. He's feeling scared. How about this character? Oh, she's so happy. You're right. You can see she's smiling, having a great time. Well, there's an author who does a lot of good emotions in books. Mo Willems writes stories that have a lot of emotion in them. And so I have a very special guest reader with me today. Paul, come on in. Great. And we're going to read for you the story of Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Here we go. Achoo!
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
Yeah, he's feeling happy. Look at him. I want a...
Yes? A what?
A
ball? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Shoo! Sniff.
Are you okay?
I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! Look at his face. Yeah, that's his feeling. He's surprised and worried. What if? Yeah, Piggy's wondering what she's gonna say, what he's gonna say. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Oh, sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Ah, look at his face. Eyebrows are up. He's got all that expression. Oh, that was a sneeze. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Look at poor Elephant. How is Elephant feeling? So sad.
But Gerald...
No, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye.
Gerald.
And who comes now but Dr. Cat. Here's Dr. Cat. Sniff, sniff.
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. So what would your face look like, Dr. Cat? Ah, we'll get where they can see you. Make the face. Yeah. Hey. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. Oh, how is Elephant feeling now? He's feeling so badly. Yeah, what does Dr. Cat say?
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze.
No?
I think you have a cold.
A cold? Look at his face. So surprised. A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick? Now wait a minute. Look at this face. He's feeling happy about being sick? Why? Okay, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! I have great news! Why is it great news that Elephant is sick? I have a cold!
Good for you.
Oh, what happened? I made poor Piggy sick too.
Poor Paul covered in tissues.
We hope that you have an opportunity to go through your books today and think about how characters are feeling, whether they're happy or sad or frightened or mad. Be sure to use expression with your reading today.